Hey everybody, it's Irene with BrainStormAcres. Just a quick update from the greenhouse. Looking quite a bit different than it did just a week or two ago. Basically, let's see, the table over here, I'm trying not to get my finger on the lens. Table over here has been completely swept and partially wiped. I haven't disinfected it yet, but the plastic conglomeration there is 6 of my big buckets like I have here for fruit and veggies and stuff, and they have been completely cleaned off, roots, plants, blah blah blah, and they have been watered, and they now have plastic over the top to solarize them. I just started that process yesterday. I'm going to be monitoring the soil temperature with a compost thermometer later. Beyond that, we still have beets, 2 different kinds of beets, and spinach, and a few flowers. The tomatoes in that area are gone, except for the ones that are just laying there. I literally just cut them down the other day. All the upper bits and pieces up here that would have the rolls for controlling the tomato plants are gone. Those are all in the black bucket that is right down there, and they will be disinfected when this process is continuing. This little squash plant down there is still, it looks terrible because it's got a bad case of mildew, but you see the fruits on it. It is still producing fruits, and we do have some strange fly things in here. Let me see if I can spot one. I know there's one over here. I saw him before. There he is. Apparently they do good jobs of pollinating. They look like they're in the wasp family. But at any rate, the pollination's going great on these things, so I'm leaving it for now. I just gave them another dash of fertilizer the other day. I need to cut off some more of the downy mildew, yucky leaves, but I'm not going to worry about it too much. I figure they're still producing a little bit of photosynthesis there. These tomato plants are pretty much toast. I'm still running the hydroponics on them, getting a few more ripe ones. Some of the tomatoes have also frozen, so they need to go. I'm trying to do just a little every day because I got other things going on. The plants have been taken out of these. That has just a tiny bit of shelling peas over there, and they droop over into there, and yeah. In fact, I just picked a couple more. Those I ate my share, and these are going into Henry. So down here we have nasturtiums and a gone to seed, or getting ready to go to seed. These were edible as of earlier this week, but that last little sprout of lettuce, I don't think that's going to work. This, on the other hand, is a random lettuce plant that came up weeks beyond all his buddies. So according to the sign, that should be buttercrunch lettuce, and it does look like buttercrunch. Just a random silly little seed that came up really late. There's some really crappy looking tiara and stuff like that in here. That's cabbage. What is going to happen is I'm going to continue this process through the Christmas holidays. I'm going to be starting more cabbage and broccoli and things like that in the house, and I'm going to be continuing cleaning this greenhouse. It's going to be completely vacuumed. It's going to be completely scrubbed down and sprayed down, and I'm going to use my probably neem oil. I'll probably soak this place with neem oil, which means it'll stink something awful, but that's okay. The point is, I need to get the bugs out of here. They've gotten worse and worse every year, and this year they got particularly bad. So that means sanitation. So I sweep. Yeah, my alarm just went off, so of course it shut off the phone. Anyway, so there's a pile of junk over here that needs to be gone through. Some of this is supplies that are in the process of being cleaned up. So just lots to do, and in a little bit each day, it'll happen. I want this area mostly cleaned out again, and some of the things put down here because I have more shelving down there. I normally keep most of my pots and things down there, and only the ones that I'm kind of in the process of using here. And I tend to tuck things like bags of soil and stuff underneath this here to keep it out of the sun as much as possible, because the sun kills plastic, just plain kills plastic. And the bags that soil come in are not UV resistant. So, but this solarizing project is an experiment. I've done a little bit of reading on it. I have done it in the garden before to help control bugs there. We have quite the crop of bugs this year. We have aphids and fungus gnats in here for sure right now. I haven't seen any spider mites recently, but I wouldn't be shocked to find one or two somewhere. So let's see, we have regular beets here, we have, no, those are golden beets and regular beets and spinach, and there are some broccoli down here that look okay. They've got bugs, but they look okay. So the goal is to really knock this mess down and get it cleaned up, because I don't want to have to deal with as many bugs again next year. I'm also trying to figure out how I can possibly plan for next year, because I really don't want as much going on in here as there was this year when I'm not going to be here. So I have a couple of thoughts in mind for possibly doing some things in the garden again with cages, like the ones I used last year for the squash plants, except I have a different plan for them. So that'll all be a future video. But you know, it's almost winter solstice, so not bad. Not bad. And we just had another caprese salad yesterday, and we will be doing more tomatoes. I have a whole stack in the freezer again that will need to be turned into sauce at some point. Not a whole stack like earlier in the year, but, you know, a bunch. So this will just be one pot of sauce. This won't be, you know, multiple pots this time. But we still have a few tomatoes that are ripening here, in between a few of them that are obviously frozen, therefore are rotting, but, you know, whatever. Anyway, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because obviously we're going to be doing tons. And this is an unheated greenhouse. No heat and very little cooling except for fans. So, considering, we've done pretty well. But I still want to upgrade better this year. So, yeah. Until next time, bye. Oh, and keep brainstorming, because obviously we are.